Hello and welcome to a beautiful evening in Wicklow. Hopefully you can see this now. I have a bunch of different lights. So I have the one that's dangling around my neck from before, and that provides a good bit of light going forward, although I did notice the last time the light was kind of glaring up into the camera, so I don't use that too often. I have a light on my head, which I managed to clip onto the strap that came with the camera, and I have this new lovely LED light. I got this in Lidl for €12. I have a new setup, I'll show you now actually. 3-gallon bucket. I've notched a little groove here. That's so that this pipe can sit comfortably in there. This means instead of having to bring a stand and buckets, now I'm just bringing buckets. And I can just clip this onto my bag if I'm going a fair distance. So I'll just give you a quick overview of the actual area itself that I'm working. Check that out, look. I'm not going to bend down to that, but look at that. Look at all the black sand. Okay, let's go and do some test panning. And there's some nice stuff there. So I'll take note of the places we took samples from. The only thing about a 1/4 inch. It's quite involved. Okay, so it wasn't really much of a need to pan the classifier there. Just going to take a big chunk of this, put it in the pan. We'll pan this all the way down, then we'll come back to this pan for more. Again, we'll bring the big lamp over. It's pretty glaring in the camera. If there is gold in here, it is microdots. Super fine. Okay, we'll call that bust. Let's just wash that pan out. There's only so long you can spend staring into a pan before you have to go, okay, there's nothing. And look, we have a whole, probably another 2 pounds worth of material left to test. If you haven't seen this sluice before, very simple. It's just simply Dream Mat, 6x16. The reason I just want to offer it up to there is I want to figure out where it's going to finish, because I want to dig a monstrosity of a tailings pond. To me, this is the most easiest way to run material. So just a few more scoops in there just to see it working. Not much in the way of anything here, to be honest with you. This thing at beach can be very hit and miss. The water of the lake is right there. Not what it is, just maybe it's just being beside the sea or whatever. It's physically draining. I am wrecked now, so I'm gonna pack up all this stuff, wash off all the sand. So thanks very much for watching. Thanks very much for your subscription, and sure, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.